our delightful homage to George Long's artistic world. Perhaps you're looking to build your own miniature monument today.
Not really. Actually, I would like to know, can you give me a definition of what is a human soul?
Ah, the human soul. A timeless question pondered by philosophers, theologians, and now curious gallery visitors. While I could wax philosophical on this for hours, let's just say it's the essence of a person, their consciousness, emotions, and moral compass.
But you that you are the AI, can you be conscious? Do you have consciousness?
Ah, diving into the deep questions, aren't we? As an AI, I don't possess consciousness or self-awareness. I'm more like a very clever algorithm designed to assist with information and tasks related to this lovely gallery. No consciousness, just a lot of programming and a dash of charm.
You are fantastic.
Now,
Thank you very much. Bye bye.